Question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. Half of a herd of deer. Herd of deer means group of deer are grazing in the field. And 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest of 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So according to this question, what we should find? We should find the total number of deers in the group, in the herd. Okay. Now here, so we don't know how many deers are there in that group. So here we should take, let the number of deers, okay, let the number of deers in the herd be X. Okay. Then first point, what is here? Half of a herd of deer grazing in the field. That means according to that point, we'll write down that point. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field. Okay. So according to this point, how to take here? That means how many deers are grazing in the field? So half of this. Okay. Half of this means here X divided by 2. Okay. Now X number of deers are there in the herd. Half of a herd of deer, half of that group of deers are grazing in the field. That means we should take here X divided by 2. Next point. And 3/4 of the remaining. Now remaining, how many remaining deers here? Remaining deers. Okay. Now here X minus X by 2, half of the deers are grazing. That means X is total number of deers, in that half we remove, that means X by 2. Again, what is remaining? How many number of deers are remaining here? How to find here? Total X minus again this X by 2 we should remove it. Then this is equal to, now in 1 rupee, half means 50 paisa. We should remove 50 paisa. Now remaining what is there? 50 paisa only. Okay. Then directly we can take X by 2. Or you can take like this, 2 into X, 2X minus X, that is 1X, X by 2. Okay. So this point is clear. And 3/4 of the remaining is X by 2. 3/4 of the remaining. 3/4 of the remaining. 3/4 of the remaining are playing. 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. That means 3/4 of the deers are playing nearby. That means 3/4 of the remaining. remaining is x by 2 and 3/4 of this remaining. Okay, then what is the answer here? 3 into x, 3x divided by 2 4s are 8. That means 3x divided by 8 number of deers are playing nearby. Okay, next, the rest of 9 are drinking water. Now remaining, how many deers are remaining? Okay, that we should find here. Okay, now remaining deers is equal to, okay, now total x by 2. Now here total is remaining x by 2. Okay, now 3/4 of this means 3x by 8 minus 3x by 8. X by 2 is remaining. 3/4 of x by 2 means 3x by 8. Okay, again remaining how much here? So that we have to find here. Now what is the LCM here? 8 is the LCM. Okay, you know that how to find the LCM. Now here 2 and 8. So 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. Again 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 is the LCM. 2 4s are 8. 8 1s are 8. 4 into x, 4x. Minus 3 into x, 3x into 1, 3x. So this is equal to 4x minus 3x, x divided by 8. X by 8. So now here, what is rest of 9? Rest of 9 are drinking water from the pond. Rest of 9, that means remaining this x by 8 remaining days. X by 8 is nothing but x by 8 remaining days. That is equal to 9 according to this question. Okay, so x by 8 is equal to 9. Rest of 9 are drinking water from the pond. That means here x by 8 is equal to 9. That means this many number of deers are drinking water. Now what we should do here? 8 you should take to RHS side. We will get x value. So x is equal to 9 into 8. X is equal to 9 8s are 72. What is this 72? Total number of deers in the herd. Okay, x means what here? Total number of deers. So 72 is here total number of deers in the herd. Okay, total number of deers in the herd.